Hey everyone, this is Scott Seary, the founder of Know to Grow, where I teach you how you can go from having no idea how to make money on your own to growing that idea so you can live a life of freedom. Right now you might notice I'm not sitting at home, I'm not in my office, there's no bookshelf behind me, because I wanted to take a few minutes and just explain what a free life means to me. Right now I got up today, it's a Monday morning, beautiful mid-October day here in Montana. And I was sitting at my computer trying to get things done, not getting a lot accomplished. And so I looked at the clock and it was about 9:15 in the morning. I thought, you know what? I'm just going to spend the morning antelope hunting. It's the second week of antelope season. I have a tag for an obscure area that I put in for the wrong area, and I haven't been able to fill that tag yet. Because I have designed my career around my life, instead of designing my life around my career, I'm able to just up and leave and go hunt for a morning. I figured, worst case scenario, I don't see anything and I'm back by 1 or 2 in the afternoon. Best case scenario, I do see something and I'm back by 1 or 2 in the afternoon. I'll still have a couple hours to get stuff done that absolutely needs to be done today, but for the most part, I don't really have anything that has to be done today, so I can push all that off until the remainder of the week. The rest of the week, there's one day that's rainy and cold, and then I have some obligations going on, so this is really the only morning that I can get out and just spend some time doing something that I love to do. Whether you want to get out there and go hunting, or whether you just want to spend the morning relaxing, not putting anything but your pajamas on, kicking your feet up and sipping coffee all morning long, I can show you how you can design your career so you can live the life that you want to live. Just head over to www.knowtogrow.com and you can sign up for free. From there, I'll show you exactly how to define who you are, why you do what you do, discover your passions and skills, and ultimately find your first paying clients so that you can live a life of freedom to do what you want, when you want to do it, however you want to do it, whether it's out here in beautiful Montana on a sunny October day or downtown big city just cruising around, having fun, living the life of your dreams.